In this video, I'll show how you could create a service principal using the Azure CLI in 1 minute. There are times we need to access Azure resources programmatically using a client secret, a client ID, and a tenant ID. This is using an Azure Service Principal. We can create one from the Azure CLI using the following command: AZ-AD-SP create for RBAC. When I run this command, a new app registration is created with a client secret. My app ID is my client ID, my password is my client secret, and my tenant is my tenant ID. Make sure to copy these over now because you'll only see this password or client secret just this once. I'm now ready to use these environment variables in an application to programmatically access Azure resources.
If this video was helpful for you, I'd appreciate it if you liked the video and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more content like this. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.